It's 100% free, no credit card required, actually secure unlike other free VPN, no speed limit or any ads, works perfectly on your Windows. So let's do it. Step 1. Installation. Visit Proton VPN's website through the link in the description. Click download and select VPN for Windows. Run the installer and follow the setup prompt. Step 2. Account creation. Click create account in the tab. Look for the sign up for free at the bottom. Select continue with VPN free. Enter your email and complete registration. Step 3. Using Proton VPN. Log in into the app. Click quick connect to a random server. To verify it's working, visit this website and you can see your IP address. So in my case, this has changed to a Romanian IP address. You can switch the server using the change server button here. Note, free version connects to a random servers. For a specific country selection, you will need to the paid plan. And that's it. You are now securely browsing with Proton VPN completely for free.